In still water, something stirs. These are mosquito larvae, the early stage of one of the world's most dangerous insects. Under the microscope, their true complexity is revealed. Hatched from eggs, the larvae spend their days swimming, feeding, and breathing through siphons at the water's surface. Their bodies are almost transparent. The gut shows a diet of algae and microbes, energy that fuels their rapid growth. At the head, brush-like structures sweep rhythmically, drawing food into the mouth. Constant feeding sustains their development. At the tail lies the larva's lifeline, the siphon. Like a snorkel, it allows them to breathe air above the surface. Next to it, delicate finger like papillae regulate salts and water inside the body. Bristles and hairs along the tail propel the larva through the water, both a means of movement and a tool for survival. When viewed under polarized light, the hidden architecture of the body is revealed. The exoskeleton shines with spectral colors, fine structures flashing like threads of glass. Details once invisible appear in striking clarity, evidence of nature's intricate engineering. From these small, wriggling forms will emerge one of the most persistent insects on Earth, the mosquito.